How can I start freelance graphic design? Are you a teenager dreaming of a career in graphic design? If so, you might be wondering how to kickstart your freelance journey. Let's break down the steps to help you get started on this exciting path. First, it is important to learn the basics of graphic design. This means understanding key concepts like color theory, typography, and layout. You can find online courses or enroll in design programs at your high school to build these skills. Once you have a solid foundation, it is time to practice and create a portfolio. Work on personal projects that showcase your creativity. If you do not have client work yet, consider redesigning logos or participating in design contests. This will help you gather pieces for your portfolio, which is essential for attracting clients. Next, you need to develop essential software skills. Familiarize yourself with tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. These programs are industry standards and will help you produce high-quality designs. Make it a habit to practice regularly until you feel comfortable using these tools. Branding yourself is another important step. Create a professional online presence by setting up a website or social media profiles. This is where potential clients can find you and view your work. Choose a name that reflects your style, whether it is your own name or a catchy business name. Networking is key in the freelance world. Join online design communities, attend local events, and use platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram to showcase your work. You can also explore freelancing websites like Upwork or Fiverr to find your first clients. These platforms can help you connect with people looking for design services. As you start getting clients, managing your business becomes crucial. Use tools like Trello for project management and accounting software for invoicing and tracking expenses. Staying organized will help you maintain a professional image. Always aim to deliver quality work. Satisfied clients are more likely to return for future projects or refer you to others. Building a good reputation takes time, but it is worth the effort. Incorporating graphic design into your high school course selection can lay a strong foundation for your freelance career. This field combines creativity with technical skills, making it a fulfilling choice for those who love art and technology. By following these steps, you can confidently start your freelance graphic design journey and pave the way for future success.